Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the fast and free shipping. They'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Coming from Kflow. This is a reverse osmosis system. Countertop RO water filter, tankless, reverse osmosis. Got it set up in the kitchen. That's where we're ready to go. Alright guys, here it is. We got it all set up. It takes about 7 minutes. Once you set it all up, start the process. It has a quick operation guide right there. Comes with a bunch of goodies. Let me put the light on. There we go. Comes with this temperature check, TDS, add extra rings, a cleaner. The tanks last about a year. They do have replacement ones to buy. Simple to change. I'll show you where that's at. Oops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got one right there. We got coconut, carbon, reverse osmosis membrane, and another coconut carbon block filter. So there are those. And then that's easy to do. Give me 1 second to try to put this back on. Here we go. And then here's water tank. This is where you gotta fill it up. There's a max line right there. Right up here, just fill it. And then you can see it's doing its thing right there. And that's right here. And then should be any minute. And these are the life of the filters. Full strength. Goes from flush to pure to full. So there you go. Really cool. Like I said, you can get these now. Take advantage of fast and free shipping. And they'll ship this to you in no time. Easy to set up. Like I said, you get everything included. And if you need to buy more filters, click on the link and they'll have it. So there we go. And you can switch by hitting that. Keep it at that one. There you go. And it's flashing. Pure water. Right there. Really clear. Clean water. Definitely these are hot items right now. Depends on where your area is located. You never know how the water is, so this will definitely help it out. And check them out. Kflow. Right here on Amazon. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.